Meaning of go-kart.
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 Go-kart. A go-kart is a small motorized vehicle used primarily for recreational purposes or racing. Typically made of lightweight materials such as aluminum or fiberglass, go-karts are designed for agility and speed, often featuring low ground clearance and responsive steering. These vehicles come in various sizes and designs, from single-seater models to larger two-seater versions. Go-kart racing is a popular activity among both children and adults, with tracks and facilities dedicated to the sport found all around the world. Overall, go-karts provide a fun and thrilling experience for those who enjoy driving and racing.